Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a pretty frustrating problem that many of us have faced at some point or another. Picture this. You go to update your Windows 11 PC to the latest major update. Everything seems smooth, but then disaster strikes. Your PC refuses to boot into Windows because it suddenly can't find the NVMe drive it's installed on. Cue the panic, right? You're stuck in a loop of loading animations and Windows recovery mode, desperately trying to figure out what's going on. It's a classic tech problem that can send even the most seasoned computer whizzes into a tailspin. Now, let's talk about the solution to this headache of a problem. Our hero in this story discovered that the key to getting their NVMe drive recognized again was a BIOS update. Yep, you heard that right, a BIOS update was the secret sauce to getting everything back on track. After trying the newest stable BIOS version with no luck, they took a leap of faith and opted for the beta version instead. Lo and behold, after a few heart-pounding moments of spinner screens and fluctuating fan speeds, the Windows login screen finally graced their monitor. Talk about a plot twist, right? In essence, the solution boiled down to a simple yet unexpected fix: updating the BIOS firmware to the latest beta version. Who would have thought that such a seemingly unrelated update could be the key to resolving a boot issue? Our protagonist's 20-plus years of experience in the tech world were put to the test, but in the end, it was a lesson in keeping an open mind to unconventional solutions. So next time your PC throws you a curveball, remember to check for those BIOS updates. You never know when they might just save the day. And with that nugget of wisdom, we wrap up today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and drop us a comment with your own tech troubleshooting adventures. Until next time, happy troubleshooting, folks.